my Keychron K2. It definitely takes a beating as I use it for work, gaming, editing, and writing. And over time, it has just built up grime, dirt, dust, and overall is just nasty. So today, I will be cleaning this keyboard. Gonna need a screwdriver to uninstall the PCB, air blower to remove dust, Q-tip to get to the hard to reach places, and some soapy water to clean the keycaps. First, just removing these dirty little keycaps and dumping them into the soapy water to soak for about an hour. Next, removing the PCB so that we can go outside to dust it off. But first, we must get past the dangerous monster that guards the door. Now using the Q-tip to get that extra deep clean. Looking so fresh and so clean. Now to dry off the keycaps. They were a little soapy still, so I did rinse them again underneath water. Then I laid out the caps on a towel to dry for about 24 hours. Enjoy the reveal.